Hey guys, Alec Miles here with eXp Realty, your smart Alec Realtor going the extra miles. I'm pleased to present today 25 Madeira Drive here in Huron Heights in London, Ontario, Canada. One of my favorite parts about this neighborhood is the mature trees, the 60-foot lots, 125 deep. You're close to Fanshawe College, all of the amenities, and well, you guys go check this place out. One of my favorite parts about these 60s built ranches is the main floor living. Featured on this floor, you're going to have 3 bedrooms, an updated bathroom, a great cooking kitchen, and an open style living and dining room area with your own fireplace. Check it out, guys. One of my favorite things about these early to mid 60s built ranches is you have either separate access from the back or from the side. This would make a perfect income suite as a mortgage helper, duplex, or somewhere to stick the teenagers as you've got a full kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, and living area. Check this place out. So one of my favorite things about this property is obviously the backyard. Whether you're a gardener, whether you want to put in a pool, barbecue, entertain, this space is absolutely perfect for it. Check this out, guys.